Yeah, that one came completely off of the slip. And it's tilted sideways now. The water level, you can see where the water line was and where the water line is now. This has probably dropped at least 6 to 8 feet. So this is near Marcos Island, just on the outskirts of entering the island itself. We're about to go over the Causeway Bridge, but down power lines here as well. Seen the traffic lights, and there was a wire dangling on the right side of that as we come into town.
If you guys want to give this a share, I'd really appreciate it.